How to measure wheel spacer size for BMW E60.
The right size of wheel spacers depends on how much wheel gap you have. Take the metal ruler straight edge and place it against the outermost part of one front ring. Then measure from the outside wheel to the fender line. That's the thickness you can run wheel spacers to get the wheel flush to the fender. For OEM BMW E60 wheels and tires, front 20mm and rear 25mm wheel spacers provide the perfect flush stance. BMW E60 wheel spacers for aftermarket offset wheels come to priority. Because of good thermal conductivity, BMW E60 wheel spacers will dissipate brake heat better. This is good for rims or brakes. They feature nicer designs that add both style and function when you are upgrading your vehicle. If you pursue extreme performance, BMW E60 wheel spacers is well worth the investment.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get us bonus wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.